So another thing that the market taught me, it's actually a crazy experience, right? But regardless, I still need to document it and talk about it. Actually, I've been able to normally, uh, I can see this W pattern forming already because at this point here yesterday that I saw this guy forming. So I just said this guy, no, that's okay. When the price break above, and then I'm gonna wait for a retest and join the trend to exactly this zone here. So normally before I started trading SMC, I've been trading this pattern and all that. So I just saw it and I was like, okay, let me just give it a try. So eventually my system went off and I forgot to check on it. Then when I remember, I used my phone, and then when I used my phone, the market has already gone beyond this zone, coming back like this just at this point here, right? So it wasn't that this clear right on my phone, but it's already at this point. To me, now thinking that the guy is just come and do a test. Okay, it should not be this. Okay, yeah, I check it on the 15-minute time frame. Then, all right. Okay, so on the 15-minute time frame like this is when I came to check on when I check on my phone. Normally the retest has happened already. You can see it has broken this line, and the retest has happened at this point. This is exactly where I'm supposed to join the trend. Exactly here. Then I'm able to join to this zone here. From here to here, that's just the trade normally. But eventually, because it's on my phone, then it looks tiny on my phone when I was so it has gotten back to this zone here. So me thinking this is just where the retest is just happening. Yeah, the retest is just very visible here on the 15-minute time frame. Now let me jump into the market. The market deal with me. When I jump into the highest point, you know how good can be. Very crazy, right? Imagine me joining the market. Though eventually I know the market is kind of late, but I was like, this needs is still going up. So I've been able to set a particular, to set a particular goal that when the market get to this place normally, this zone, this bear by break of structure, that's when I'm going to take get out of the market. But the market is almost at that zone. I'm like, no, this is just a retest. Then I enter the market. So the market starts this break to the downside gradually. That's why I didn't hit my stop loss. So that's that on that. Then another thing again, because yesterday it was just a losing trade for me all through. I guess this guy. Uh, I had a little same experience with this ninja. So no, yeah, it wasn't this. It wasn't EU. Okay, yeah, it should be JG. GG rather. Should be GJ. Yes. See this guy here. This is my point of interest. This happened 2 days ago. This is my point of interest. When the market got to this place, I entered my buy trade. When I got here, when the market starts moving back for a retest, I zoom off the market. That's true actually. So zooming off the market now, eventually, yesterday, I could the market has gone to my zone, and has now even gone to form another break of structure, done the retests, and now continue the uptrend. Just imagine that I did not zoom off this market. Imagine just at this point. So in short, no profit for me. The profit I made was just very little profit. Now I'm seeing what's going on. So I've been able to learn now patience and fear, and then being able to realize that regardless, I need to just stick to my strategy no matter what. No matter what. So that is it, I guess. Then I guess there's one more that happened again. It's this guy. Yeah, see this guy as well. It's yesterday was just I was just losing money back to back. On my live account too. It was just I actually just funded the account like this week. Let me make some. So now see what actually happened here. Thank God I even drew the arrow. I was like, okay, this was at the point where I drew this arrow yesterday. Like, okay, the market's from here. Will I get to this point here, right? And bounce back to this my point of interest here, then start pushing up just like that because this is my point of interest. I've drawn it before, so that's the one. Or the market just keep coming down straight up, gotten to this zone, then zoom off to this place. I probably want to come and retest them before going down, which actually happened. So what I now did was that based on my strategy, I'm supposed to also wait for the market at my point of interest here, right? But because this thing happened here, change of character happened here, I feel like the market should of course go to retest that zone that caused the break of character before coming down here. So normally, even if it will happen that way, I'm not supposed to go and you know I'm not supposed to join the trade. I should just wait for the market to just come to my zone before taking the trade. So I entered the buy trade here. The market refused to go and test the zone. The market was just coming down straight. And when it got to this zone, it had already taken me off the stop loss I